Welcome back to Cooking at Pam's Place. 2023 has been an amazing year, and it's all because of you. I thank each and every one of you all from the bottom of my heart. Let's take a look back and see what happened in 2023. We'll take a look at some of my favorite videos, some of your favorite videos, some of the most controversial videos, and some of the videos with the most views. Take a look. First up, according to the comments, likes, and shares, are fan favorites. Do you ever buy lettuce from the store and it's packaged something like this? Just to bring it home, open it up, and it starts to go bad really quick? Come with me, I'll show you what to do. Go ahead and take your lettuce out of the bag. Grab you a piece of foil and wrap your lettuce up in it. Make sure it's wrapped tight. Your lettuce will stay fresh for 30 days or more. And for all you people who don't like foil, I can't help you. And there you have it. Do you ever have half a bag of eaten potato chips or any kind of chips and you need to close them up, so you just kind of roll the bag down just for it to come back open again? Come with me. I'll show you what to do. Take your bag and fold it down neatly. Fold it again neatly. We're just folding it down. Pressing it tight, fold it down again, and push it forward, back, and down. And there you have it. Have you ever needed to make something that called for brown sugar just to realize you had none? Come with me, I'll show you what to do. You'll need some plain white sugar and molasses. For light brown sugar, you'll need a cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon of molasses. Stir this until it is all combined. This is our light brown sugar, and once you're done, it should look like this, well incorporated. For dark brown sugar, you need 2 tablespoons of molasses. Mix in your 2nd tablespoon of molasses until it's well incorporated. I usually make my brown sugar right when I'm getting ready to use it, but if you want to make it ahead and store it, you can put it in an airtight container for 1 month. This is your dark brown sugar, and there you have it. When you buy crackers, they come in these sleeves, but there's no way to really reclose them. Like bread has a twist tie, but these don't come with a twist tie. Do they expect us to eat the whole sleeve at once? Come with me, I'll show you what to do. You can easily close these with a twist tie, but that means you need to save the twist tie from something else. Usually your bag is tore open like this and you're halfway done. So you take the bag and you just twist it. Twist it and keep twisting. Just twist it. Don't stop. Twist, twist, twist. Eventually it'll twist around itself. Just keep on twisting. Twist it until you can't twist it anymore. It will stay all by itself. Your crackers will stay nice and fresh, and you don't need to worry about saving any twist ties. And there you have it. Do you get tired of trying to pull off cling wrap just to have it stick all to itself? Come with me, and I'll show you what to do. Just store it in the freezer. I'll show you what to do. The cool air from your freezer helps reduce the static electricity that makes it cling to itself. But it comes to room temperature in just a few seconds, and it'll cling right to your bowl instead of itself. These next videos are a couple of my favorite videos. Meet me in the kitchen. Ever stranded, lost, or injured, and all you have with you is your cellular device, and it's about to go dead? or you have no signal, come with me and I'll show you what to do. Maybe it's just something like a flat tire and you can't call for help. You don't have that much time on your battery. Change your voicemail. Begin your message with, "Please do not hang up. I need help." State your location, time, date, and situation. I need help. I'm lost. I'm hurt. Tell if you're going to stay with your car or if you're going to try to leave. If you don't know north from south, east from west, then simply say, "I'm going to start from the front of my car and walk in that direction or the back of my car." Doing that one thing could save your life. As long as you still have service from your provider, your voicemail will work when someone calls you. They'll hear that message and they'll know where to come to find and help you or to send help. And there you have it. Everyone is always asking me, what else can they use when cooking besides shortening and vegetable oil? Especially when frying, because they need something that has high heat. There is nothing better than Strength Genesis Macadamia Nuts Oil. Come with me, I'll show you what to do. With a high smoke content of up to 515 degrees Fahrenheit, it's perfect for roasting garlic. Drizzle it over your protein while cooking or eggs, vegetables. Strength Genesis is 100% pure, cold-pressed Australian macadamia nut oil. And my favorite part, it tastes like butter. I love drizzling it on my snacks. Delicious. And there you have it. My daughter Ashley wants a number cake for her birthday, which I've never done, but come with me, I'll show you what to do. This was an amazing cake hack. I just bought a sheet cake and took it home, scraped off the icing, drew some stencil, drew it on the cake and cut it out. Then I iced the cake the way I wanted to ice it with my own decoration, and you can do the same thing for any type of number or letter cakes. This cake turned out absolutely amazing. Oh my goodness, guys, I am done. I'm going to bring you all in for one last close look. You guys can also visit my daughter Ashley's channel. She has a travel channel. She travels around the world. Ashley's Living, and I'll leave that link in the description. Oh my goodness, delicious.
For some reason, Chef Pam likes to run into a wall instead of walking out of frame like a normal person. Come with me.
Come with me. I'll show you what to do.
You want to know how to eat lettuce in one bite? Come with me. I'll show you what to do. Why not just go out of frame? You're like, come with me. I'll show you what to do.
See how my son treats me?
Then walk back in frame. What was that?
I have evidence.
Jenny's, we love your ice cream. I would love for you to sponsor her so I can get free ice cream.
Delicious.
I'll promote it in every video. This is really good. I can't get it out right now because I think I froze it a little too long, but.
And there you have it.
You just step over here for a second. I don't want an accident to happen. I like you guys. You need to vote for her. You better vote for her in the favorite chef, or an accident just might happen. Like,
don't be threatening my people.
Vote for her.
Homemade soup, 2 carrots, 1 celery stalk, half an onion all chopped and thrown in. Saute in butter and olive oil. Chop your turkey or your chicken. Throw it in with peas and corn. 5 cups of water with better than bouillon. 1 cup of heavy cream and noodle of your choice. Season with salt, pepper, thyme, and 1 bay leaf. Don't forget to subscribe. My most controversial videos. Take a look. When we buy fresh produce from the grocery store, we don't know what type of pesticides may be on them. Come with me. I'll show you what to do. Grab you a bowl and put whatever fruit you have in it. Take some cold water and pour over your fruit. Making sure it's enough to cover it. Then grab your baking soda and put 2 or 3 tablespoons in your water. Mix it up and let it sit for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, you want to rinse your fruit again, and then you're good to go. And there you have it. Have you ever wondered why when you buy just a regular salad in a restaurant, it tastes so much better than when we make it at home? Come with me. I'll show you what to do. Use whatever you want in your salad and go ahead and toss it. Restaurants season their salad, so you need to season yours. I'm using applewood smoked salt. You can use Himalayan salt, sea salt, but you just need a pinch. Then use your favorite seasonings. I'm using onion powder, garlic powder, then give it a toss again. This is before you put any dressing on it or anything. You want to put just a tad bit of salt on it because salt brings out flavor. Feel free to add black pepper if that's what you like as well. Then dress your salad however you would and enjoy. Delicious. And there you have it. Have you ever went to use your spray oil and the can just kind of sounds empty? Or you tried to use it, but nothing came out? Come with me. I'll show you what to do. First, you'll need a spray bottle. We'll need a couple of cloves of garlic. Smash them and take the peels off. Insert your herbs and garlic. Don't have to use it if you can have it just plain. Pour your olive oil in. Add water to that. Put your top on. If you're infusing it with herbs like I did, let it sit for a couple hours. And there you have it. A lot of people love Coca-Cola, but here are 18 reasons why I don't drink it. Come with me. I'll show you what to do. Clean your toilets and remove stains from your clothes. Cleans the buildup on the bottom of your pots and skillets and removes grease. Coca-Cola removes rust. It cleans ice off of windshields and cleans mirrors. It cleans bathroom tile and grout. You can get the oil off of your driveway. Clean up the markers and crayons. Gardeners, pest control. For slugs. Clean your eyeglasses. Flat Coke helps with nausea. It gets gum out of your hair. It will help break down your garden compost. If your car won't start, battery cables need cleaning, just pour some Coca-Cola on it. Tenderize meats and add half a cup to your laundry to prevent odors. I am not about to drink anything that does all that. And there you have it. Did you think your toaster was only so that you can put a piece of bread in it and toast it? Come with me. I'll show you what to do. Instead, make a grilled cheese sandwich. You'll need to make a pocket like this out of parchment paper. Take a sheet, fold it in half, and fold it upwards again. Now you can buy these pouches or you can make them. The other side over to form a pouch. Put your sandwich in the pouch. Pop it in your toaster. And now we wait. And remove your sandwich. Nice and hot. Place your toaster on its side like this. Using the same method, you can reheat your pizza. Then slide it in your toaster. Ooh. And now your pizza, is nicely reheated. Everyone's toaster and toaster settings are different, so be careful and test it out first. And there you have it. These next videos were the videos that you all made sure had the most views. It's hurricane season and we may need to evacuate, but we've got a freezer full of food. Is it even going to be good when we return? Come with me. I'll show you what to do. Take a clear cup. Fill it 3/4 to halfway up with water and make sure it's frozen solid. Once it's frozen solid, take a coin, any coin, and place it right on top. Put it back in your freezer. When you return, check it. If that coin is at the bottom, that means that your entire freezer has defrosted and refrozen. You need to toss that food out. If it's still at the top, that means your power did not go off and you're good to go. If it's somewhere in between, you want to check your food for your satisfaction. This is a good tip not just to do for hurricanes, but to do always, because you can just simply go to the grocery store around the corner and your power goes out. And how long has it been out? Is your food still good? We've all eaten ramen noodles, and some of us still eat them quite often today. Wouldn't it be nice for them to have that restaurant quality taste? Come with me. I'll show you what to do. Cook your ramen noodles as usual. While they're boiling, add a tablespoon of butter. The butter helps thicken the broth and stick to the noodles. Delicious. You guys know what these are, right? You've seen these, right? And they are heat resistant. But did you think you were supposed to put them on your fingers like this to pick something up and handle hot dishes? Come with me. I'll show you what to do. where it may be true that you can put them on your fingers and use them like this, everyone's hands are different sizes, and sometimes these grippers just don't fit. The next time you go to use your little grippers, take your pot, whatever size handles you have, flip the grippers right on. Then you can easily pick up your pot and move it around, even if they don't fit on your hands. And for my small Dutch oven, like my little heart-shaped one here, I use the smaller size. Again, just put them right on, just like that. Then you can lift it up. You can lift it up by both of them, or you can put your hands in the middle and lift it up that way. And there you have it. Have you ever wondered about a sugar cube? You know those little cubes of sugar you see sometimes when you have brunch and lunch and even breakfast sometimes, especially at holiday time. Come with me. I'll show you what to do. Take some sugar in a bowl. Add just a tad bit of water to it, a spoonful at a time, just until the sugar is wet. Mix it in really well. You can add color to it. You can use natural coloring like hibiscus or turmeric to color it, even coffee. If you're doing this for guests, at this point you do want to put on some gloves, but I'm just demonstrating. You want to take a little chunk and just form it into a cube. It's going to stick together because of the wetness and the sugar. Once you have it formed, put it on a baking sheet.
Let it dry for 8 hours.
And there you have it. All over the internet and TikTok are people's Pyrex dishes shattering. Come with me. I'll show you what to do. Pyrex dishes, as most of us know them, can go from hot to cold and cold to hot. So why are they shattering? Now, when you buy Pyrex, you're either buying Pyrex, lowercase letters, or Pyrex with capital letters. Lowercase Pyrex is sold mostly for kitchenware in the United States, South America, and Asia. Pyrex in all caps is sold in Europe, Africa, and the Middle East. The original Pyrex had capital letters, but a while back, Corning, who owns Pyrex, sold lowercase licensing out. And when that was done, it was no longer made of the good, sustainable glass, and it was made of tempered glass, which can shatter. If the logo is in uppercase letters, it is much safer than the lowercase letters. And there you have it. And that's a wrap for 2023. I will see you all next time. The good Lord willing and the creek don't rise. Happy New Year. Bye-bye.